the shit. Yeah, I'm super lit. If you don't buy me what I want, I'ma throw a fit.
Good, love me, feel so. Ride me, ride me, ride me, ride me, ride me.
What's up, beauties? It's Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 5 of Hair Week. I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. So today we are blue. I'm not blue inside. I'm kind of anxious actually about today. I'm viewing a house. Okay, anyway, but it's a little gloomy outside and I am rocking a blue unit. So we're just gonna be blue today, okay? But today's method is actually very, very easy. This is one of the very first beginner type methods. This is what I used to do before I learned how to use the glues and how to use the glues and how to use the sewing techniques and all that stuff. So this requires none of that. You really don't need anything else. Some hairspray maybe, and a comb. That's about it. But yeah, it's a very easy beginner friendly method. I think you guys are gonna enjoy this because you can do it, girl. I have faith in you. This is not like, okay, keep practicing and maybe you'll get it. Like, you'll get it. You're good. So if you like this blueberry look and you wanna know how I achieved it, keep on watching. All right, so today's unit's from RPGShow. Look at her. She's a beauty. No, but in all seriousness, look at this unit, y'all. This is the Touch by Tim 004 unit style. It is a silky texture, 14 inches with a blunt cut. It is a cap size 1 cap construction lace front wig cap, and it's got a light brown lace color. You guys know RPGShow and I, we're like this, like them and their sister company, My First Wig, like they just have incredible wigs. I've always wanted to try a blue one like this without having to dye it myself, so I was a little hesitant. I didn't know if it would look more green in real life, but it's good. I actually really like this unit. The hair is beautiful and thick as always, and the color is just to die for. So I wanted to show you guys the inside of the cap so you can see that parting and how good their like parting space is. Look at that. That's nice. And it also has 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, which I'm actually going to use today, as well as some adjustable straps. So starting off, just like last time, I put my hair in 2 little low braids, and then I crossed them in the back and bobby pinned them to the side. Super cute, girl. Super cute. I wanted to show you guys how I cut the lace off. You want to cut it really close to the hairline. You don't really want that extra-ness hanging off because we're not going to glue it down today. So cut it close to the hairline. And then I also moved the adjustable straps right next to each other so it sits really tight. So that's what the back of my hair looks like, just crisscrossed and bobby pinned up. So I put this wig on and I did use the comb to go under my little low bun this time. Normally I cut that out, but I used it this time, flipped it up, and this is what we're working with right now. So you are gonna scoot it back so it kind of aligns with the part that you have. Since I did have 2 braids, I had a middle part, but you can make a side part if you want to, whatever you want to do. Just make sure that the wig part aligns with the part that you made. So you can see that right here. I am using the combs on either side of the wig to kind of stick that in my head to, well, not in my head, like through my hair so that it holds in place on the sides as well. So here you can see the front of the wig and how it aligns, but you can still see like that really thin line. That is where we cut the lace off. So after combing through the wig, you are going to go through and adjust that. And that's really like the only thing you have to do to this wig. So I'm taking my rat tail comb and I'm just pulling out some small sections in the front. I did wash my hair the night before I filmed this, so it was still like wrinkly and crinkly. So I just took my straightener, and don't worry, I have it on a low heating. I know heat is bad for your hair. I know, I'm sorry y'all, but I did put it on a low setting and I just flat ironed that. When I straightened it, I straightened my hair with the wig, so it kind of like heated up together and kind of melted together as one. So that's why it blends really nicely. And I also don't have like a really thick amount of hair out anyway. So yeah, you just do that to both sides and make sure that's blended to your liking. Once you've done that, I did want to show you guys this flyaway tamer again. I've showed it in a previous video before, but this is from their sister company, My First Wig, and this is the most miraculous invention. Innovative. I love it. It's basically chapstick for your hair. It works for wigs, it works for your natural hair, whatever, and it's not greasy, it's not clumpy, it doesn't like have any white residue, so I really like that. We are done, girl. that is all. That's all you got to do. And you were good, you were set, you were secure. So now you can just go about your day and be a little slaying blueberry. So that's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I will have all of RPGShow's links and handles in the description box below, so be sure to check them out there. If you're new here, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.